Welcome, let's hop to it. First, I grabbed 2 Lipton black tea bags. I like to use a fairly large mug. Bringing some water to a boil, I pour it in and enjoy the ASMR. Let the tea steep for 8 to 10 minutes. This step is very important as letting it steep will give it a richer flavor, otherwise it will come out watery. Next, we grab some condensed milk. We keep ours in a jar in the fridge. Taking a hefty tablespoonful, I swirl it into my tea until it becomes a nice light color. Oh, yummy. I've been drinking this ever since I was a kid. I don't know if this is the correct way. This is just my way and the way I like to make it. You can definitely customize it to however you want because my parents don't drink it like this at all. They have it every single day, but they drink it in a little mug with 1 tea bag and a splash of condensed milk. As you can tell, I don't drink it like that because I love sugar. So I like it a bit more rich. You can really play around with it, especially with the condensed milk. But the one step you can't miss is letting the tea bag steep. That's the most important step. Cheers. I hope you enjoyed this bonus video. And until next time, bye. I'm just gonna not even go anywhere. I'm just gonna keep drinking this.